Ice cubes are very beneficial for your skin. They reduce pimples and inflammation, remove sallowness and boosts circulation, soothe sunburns, relieve puffy eyes, exfoliate the skin, reduce and delay the appearance of wrinkles, reduce oiliness of skin, works as a natural primer. Aloe vera is infused with many beauty benefits like giving a glow to the skin by removing the toxins or dirt, soothes the sunburns, removes redness and gives a soft and supple skin. How to prepare aloe vera ice pack. Squeeze aloe vera gel onto the ice tray and let it freeze for a couple of hours. Take it off and rub on the face. Wash off when it dries with cold water. Beetroot's pack will benefit you with soft and pinkish lips, glowing face, ageless, and spotless skin. How to prepare. Grate the beetroot and add 2-3 tablespoons of milk. Blend them well. You can also add rose water to the mixture. Refrigerate the mix and use it to rub the face and neck areas. Leave it on for about 10 minutes and wash off. Coriander leaves are quite effective in alleviating aging problems, blackheads, sagging skin and much more because it's fully packed with minerals, nutrients, and antimicrobial properties. How to prepare. Grind a handful of fresh coriander leaves by adding little water. Blend until it turns out to be a smooth paste. Transfer the mixture into an ice tray and let it freeze for 2 hours. With its amazing nutrients and antioxidants, cucumbers remove the dark circles, eye puffiness and the wrinkles surrounding the eyes by nourishing the skin. How to prepare. Blend the cucumbers into a soft paste. To that add a tablespoon of honey and a tablespoon of tomato juice. Pour the mix into the ice tray and let it get frozen. Rub all over the face and wash it off. Dark chocolate is beneficial for both health and beauty because it's packed with antioxidants and nutrients. So, it yields healthy and glowing skin. How to prepare. Take few cubes of dark chocolate and boil them up. Add some water to the boiled paste of dark chocolate and pour into the tray. If you have dry skin, then go with dark chocolate and milk mix. Fuller's Earth is the most beneficial ingredient to get a bright, fair and glowing skin. Making an ice pack out of Fuller's Earth is less known of. However, it refreshes your skin and adds sparkling charm to the face. How to prepare. Mix half tablespoon Fuller's Earth with 1 tablespoon rose water. Pour it into the ice tray and wait till it gets frozen. Green tea is a cool ingredient that has a fusion of antioxidants. These detoxify the body by flushing out the toxins, leaving a clean and healthy skin. How to prepare. Firstly brew the tea and then dribble the brewed tea into the ice cube tray. Then refrigerate it for 2 hours. Lemons are best suited for oily skin type people. The astringent and antioxidant properties in the lemon will eliminate large pores, acne, and blackheads. How to prepare. Squeeze a lemon onto the ice tray and add some water. Freeze it for a few hours. Then pop it out and apply to face. Milk enhances the skin complexion and adds a natural glow. It has got antioxidants which will flush out the toxins from the skin. How to prepare. Simply pour milk into the ice cube tray and refrigerate it for a couple of hours. When the milk gets frozen, apply gently all over skin cause milk dissolves faster. Rose water adds up an instant glow and freshness to the skin and tones it up well. How to prepare. Simply pour rose water onto the ice tray and freeze. Take an ice cube and rub over the face and neck. Strawberries have incredible anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These properties prevent the skin from aging, tanning, and getting blemished. How to prepare. You will need a few pieces of strawberries, a teaspoon olive oil, and 1 teaspoon honey. Blend them all together. Now, pour the mix into the ice tray and refrigerate for a few hours. When it's frozen, sweep all over the face and neck thoroughly. Tomatoes help in tanning, lightening, and whitening of the skin. They work wonders on all skin types from oily to sensitive with their soothing and antioxidant properties. How to prepare. Blend the tomato pieces with a tablespoon of olive oil and a tablespoon of honey, then pour the mix into the tray. Then place in the refrigerator to form tomato ice cubes. Rub them over the face and neck. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and wash with lukewarm water. Curcumin in turmeric is great for its anti-inflammatory and also natural antibacterial properties. How to prepare. Take a bowl and add half tablespoon yogurt, half tablespoon turmeric and few drops of rose water. Blend the ingredients well. Now, pour the mix onto the ice tray and refrigerate for 2 hours. Pop it out and apply to face and neck. Thanks for watching.